In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a floor plan into a 3D home with Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a simple floor plan image and generate a polished 3D interpretation using the Create Image feature inside Google Gemini. All you need is a clear floor plan file and access to Gemini in your browser. First, open Google Gemini. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Tools section. This is where Gemini groups its creative and productivity features so you don't have to dig through menus. Click Tools to open the panel and then choose Create Image. This is the feature powered by Nano Banana 2 inside Gemini, and it's built for turning text prompts and reference images, like your floor plan, into high-quality visuals. Think of it as giving the model both a blueprint and instructions so it can render something accurate and attractive. Before you upload anything, check the mode setting. You'll see an option labeled Fast. Go ahead and click it so you can switch to Pro. Pro prioritizes quality and detail, which is especially helpful for architectural elements, textures, and lighting. It may take a bit longer, but the fidelity you get from Pro usually saves time overall because you'll need fewer re-renders. Now add your floor plan. Click the plus icon to open the file picker, then click Upload Files and select your plan image. A crisp JPG or PNG works great. PDFs can also work if they're clear. For best results, use a straight, well-lit scan or export, include room labels if available, and make sure any dimensions are readable. The clearer the reference, the more faithfully the model can interpret layout, openings, and proportions. Next, type your prompt. Feel free to pause the video and copy the prompt on screen. If you're writing your own, be specific about style and intent. For example, generate a realistic 3D interior and exterior concept from the attached floor plan. Maintain wall positions and door window placements. Use contemporary materials, warm neutral palette, wood flooring, matte white walls, black fixtures, and soft daylight. Include rough furniture placement to show scale. Specific directions help Nano Banana connect your floor plan to the visual outcome you want. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. The model will process your file and prompt, then return images based on your plan. If the first result isn't quite right, refine a detail or two in your prompt, materials, lighting, or camera angle, and generate again. That's all there is to it, from floor plan to compelling 3D visuals with Nano Banana and Gemini.